What's up guys, welcome to another Scratch tutorial. This is part 6 on how to make a maze game in Scratch, and in this video we'll be looking at how to buy the pistol in the shop. So as you can see, I just opened the shop and clicked on the pistol, and now I have a pistol on the player. But anyways, without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I need to do is create some variables. The first one is going to be called gun type. Make sure this is for all sprites. And the next one is going to be called pistol bot question mark. So I'm going to set gun type to nothing, and I'm going to set pistol bot to false, because you haven't bought the pistol yet. So inside the shop item sprite, where it says switch costume to pistol, that means you know that this is the pistol clone. So I'm going to go to control and drag a forever loop and an if else statement, and I'm going to check if the pistol bot variable is equal to false. So if you haven't bought the pistol yet, then I'm going to check again if I'm going to grab two ands and a greater than. So I'm going to drag the first and in the left side of the second and drag the greater than inside the right side, in the right side. So I'm going to go to sensing and drag a touching mouse pointer and mouse down. And then I'm going to go to variables and drag the money variable in the left side of the greater than. And inside I'm going to type in 4, because the pistol costs 5 coins, and greater than 4 basically means 5 or above. Then I'm going to wait until not mouse down. So I'm going to drag a not, and then go to setting and drag a mouse down. Then I'm going to change money by -5, and I'm going to set gun type to pistol, and then I'm going to set pistol bot to true, because you have bought the pistol. But inside the else, I'm going to check if the pistol bot variable is equal to true. So if you have bought the pistol, then I'm going to just duplicate all of this stuff, put inside here. I'm going to take this out. I'm going to trash this and also trash this. I'm going to put this back in, and I'm going to go to events and broadcast a new message. And I'm going to call this message notify player. So this will notify the player and say, you have already bought this item. Okay. So now I'm going to create a new sprite, and I'm going to call this sprite weapon. And I'm going to go into the player, copy the costume, paste it. And I'm going to draw a rectangle, a gray rectangle, light gray rectangle, pointing to the right side of the player. So this will be the pistol, and then I will just delete the player. Now you can change this, but I'm just going to keep it simple and make it just a rectangle, light gray rectangle. And also, I'm going to call this costume pistol. And inside the code, I'm going to drag a when green flag clicked. It's going to hide, and then I'm going to go to control and drag a forever loop and a if statement, and I'm going to check if pistol bot is equal to true. So if you have bought the pistol, then I'm going to go to motion, drag a go to player, and I'm going to drag a point towards mouse pointer, And I'm going to drag a go forward 1 layer and also a show. So if I go set the money to, let's say, 5, if I set it to 5, and if I go buy the pistol, as you can see, now I have the pistol in the player hand. Okay, so that is exactly what we want. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to shoot the pistol and how it will destroy enemies. But anyways, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next Scratch tutorial. Peace out.